It's moving day. I'm in Calgary. Good morning, guys. It's currently May 3rd and I'm moving next tomorrow. And it hasn't hit me yet that I'm moving, but today the plan is to, sorry I look like this, anyways, this is how I look in the morning, so we're just gonna go with it. But today I plan on, packing and editing the welcome video or the beginning video. And then I also have a send for dinner tonight, so I have that. I have to do my laundry, I have to pack, I have a lot of things to do and sort out before tomorrow. So today is the day to do it. I'll see you guys soon when I start packing. I say parking, when I start packing. Hey guys, oh my gosh. I remember when I last updated you guys, it was, I think at 11, I was saying I was going to go shower. Then after showering, I was going to, edit the video and then pack and all of that. It's currently 6, and guess what? I haven't started packing. Yeah, and I'm moving next tomorrow. But now, I'm going for a send for dinner with my friends. We're gonna go eat. Yeah, I'm actually looking forward to that. I look cute as usual. So when I come back, I'm going to start packing. It's moving day. It's currently May 5th and I am moving today. I'm super excited. I'm nervous, I'm excited, I'm scared, I don't know. I'm feeling all sorts of emotions, but let's get it. It's currently 1:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and my flight is at 8 p.m. today, so I have a lot of time and I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Now I'm gonna go pray, reflect, write down something. Hey guys, good morning. It is currently it's currently 12 p.m. and I am finishing up everything I need to pack. I have laid my bed, as you can see. I've done quite a couple of things. I just need to take down those posters. I need to sweep, I need to close my luggages and all of that. So I need to leave at 4 p.m. and it's 12. And I need to also go to my university to return some things I borrowed because I like to do last minute stuff.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need.
This is the hotel we stayed at. It is the Aloft Calgary University Hotel located in Bath Trail, It was very spacious and nice. It had a iron, coffee maker, as well as a safe. Had a very large table, TV, and a mini fridge. And this is the room. We had the double queen size bed. It was very, very comfortable. And then this is the bathroom. It was very nice. I really loved the shower and the privacy.
I'm in Calgary. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Jesus. We finally made it and we're here safe and sound. We've checked into the hotel. Oh, we had to check into the hotel at before 12 and we checked in at like 11:55. Well, we thank God for all of that and we're finally here. So happy, excited. Now I need to go freshen up, get my beauty rest because tomorrow is the day I get my keys to my apartment. So keep you guys updated. Good morning. It is currently May 6th and it's the day to go pick up the keys to my apartment. We arrived yesterday at 11:30. We checked in and then we had breakfast. So now it's time to actually do the work and get furniture and settle in. So I'm gonna take you guys along. I'm gonna go freshen up and shower. I have to go pick up my keys at 12.
Nobody's invited but you, baby. You know it's on now. Tell me what you want. Baby, put your phone down. You should turn it off. 'Cause tonight is going down. Tell your boys it's going down. We in the zone now. Don't stop. You can't keep your hands on me. Just be right there. Rock my body. I can't keep my hands on you. Your body is my party. I'm doing this little dance for you. You got me so excited. Now it's just me and you.
Welcome to my apartment. This is the entrance as you enter. This is the living room. It's very cute, small, and nice. I really love the layout and the lighting. And then this is the kitchen. I have my fridge, the dishwasher, microwave, oven, and yeah, it's really nice, cute. I really love the stainless steel appliances. And then this is my pantry. And yeah, I really love that I have a pantry. It's not really something that I'm used to in the other apartments that I've been in. So this was really nice to have. And then we walk down the hallway, and this is my favorite part of the apartment. It is my laundry, my washer and dryer. I was so excited for this. This is what got me sold on the apartment. Just having my laundry, easily accessible. This is my thermostat to control the temperature of my unit as well. And then we're going to my bedroom now. My bedroom is nice. It's carpeted. I'm not the biggest fan of that, but that's fine. It's very cute and small. Those double doors that you saw is my closet, and I really, really love that. It's very spacious. I will show that more in my updated video. And then this is my bathroom. I love the marble tiles everywhere. And this is my shower. It's so cute and aesthetic. My bathroom. And then this is my sink and my mirror. I love how big these mirrors are. And this is my light. I love this light so much. So yeah, that's my apartment.